Navotas Multi-Sector Empowerment Cooperative Union, united to serve our community with protection, support, and opportunity.
I am Angeline Ramirez, President of Nabo Protect Cooperative, providing protection and insurance services for our drivers and families. Proud member of Navotas Multi-Sector Empowerment Cooperative Union.
I am Alisa Shane C. Salameda, President of Kaunlaran Insurance Cooperative, offering affordable life and family insurance for a better future. Proud member of our cooperative union.
I am Andrea Yu, President of NBBS Dagat-Dagatan Housing Cooperative, helping families achieve safe and affordable homes in our community.
I am May Pilea, President of NBBS Dagat-Dagatan Consumer Cooperative, giving access to affordable food and everyday goods for the people of Navotas.
I am Derica Arpanoscam, the President of Tansa Health Cooperative, providing health programs, wellness services, and medical assistance for our barangay.
Our union brings these cooperatives together to serve more families and create greater impact.
We share on one mission, to empower Navotas through affordable service, safety, and support.
We help during emergencies, promote financial literacy, and offer insurance and protection.
We conduct health nation and medical check-ups and wellness campaigns.
We promote fair prices, transparent programs, and community participation.
Cooperative exists to help the community, not to profit or win.
Every member has a voice. Every family has a chance to belong.
For cooperatives, you support your own neighbors and local workers. We encourage students, parents, workers, and business to join, partner, or volunteer.
Lahat ay pwedeng makiisa. Sama-sama ay mas ligtas at maunlad ang nagmumula.
We are